missing someone.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can tell from the title below, we are going to learn how to create custom highlight covers for Instagram. So we will go directly to the point without no further ado. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your web browser and type unsplash.com. And when you type unsplash.com, it will bring you to this website. This website actually provides you with free non-copyrighted pictures that you could use for commercial use or personal use. So what you will do next is to go to search and type texture. Once you type texture, you have a lot of pictures here which you could like, and I would like teach you guys how to blend two pictures at the same time for a highlight cover. So I downloaded most of this already, and so the way to download a picture, if you like this picture, you just need to click on download, and then it will go directly into your files. So once we've downloaded everything you have to download, you go out of your web browser and go to files. When you go to files, you click on downloads, and these are the images, some of the images here. So you will look for the images and save them into your camera roll. So these are the images. You will click on the image and save in your camera roll. So once you save the image, it goes directly into your camera roll. So I had this one too. They're actually very pretty. So the next thing we're going to do is, we have already the pictures in here. So the next thing you want to do is to go to PicsArt. You go to the plus sign and also go to the white background. And once you go to the white background, you go to stickers. Once you go to stickers, type in black circle. And once you type in black circle, you would see you would take a plain black circle. Don't take any black circle with any design on it. So once you have your black circle, you just adjust it, and that's it. So what you want to do, you would not press apply yet. You will go to add photos, and we would use this picture. This is how you blend two pictures at the same time. So we can use this one and just put here. And what you want to do is to go to blend and go to lighten, and then you're done. You go to add photo again, and you can take this one, you add it again. We could put it like this, and you can go to lighten again. So just choose the one that is suitable for you at this point. So I think lighten is going to be suitable again. So if you remove it, it's like this. If you add it, it's like this. So when you're blending the picture, it just adds a beautiful image more. So once you're done, you press apply. Once you press apply, you have a beautifully made custom image. What you want to do next is to go to tools and go to selection. Once you go to selection, press the oval and then draw a circle. Make sure your circles are very well in order. So we will arrange this to look all right. So there you go. And what you want to do is to go to invert. So you go at the end, invert this at the end, you press invert, and then you go to cut out up, which is up here. So you press cut, and once you remove it, press X, and this is it. So it's in a transparent background. You press apply and you save it. Once you save it, you will press done. Right now we are going to go next to the transparent background. So you press the transparent background, and then you go to add photo, and you press the sticker, the highlight cover that we made, and add it. You adjust it. Once you adjust it, go to text, and then let's say for example nails. That's a highlight cover for nails, and I would choose this font, Archivo Black, and adjust it. When you see the two lines that makes a plus sign, you just know already that it's at the center. So now we want to add strokes to it, and you would go to shadow first. It has a black shadow, you can add it. When it's done, go to stroke and press this filter button right at the beginning. You can choose which one of these colors you want to put. Let's take the pink one, light pink, and you can add it like this, or you could take blue. Like, you just normally take any color that you want from one of these colors in the background. So I think I'll go for the pink because it looks cute. So here we go. And you can like reduce it, and that's it. Now if you want to do multiple of this without restarting back, you will just click on the highlight cover itself and delete it. Click on nails, put it up here, duplicate it by pressing it up, then type back another one. Now here you can put me, and it will come the same. You wouldn't have to like do something or customize it again. Just put it in place. Me, you duplicate it again. I would say YouTube. You adjust it. The next thing, you duplicate it again, and you would put food. It depends on the type of highlight covers you want to do. And then you duplicate it again. What can we put next? I think I can put skin. Now what you want to do is to press apply. Once you press apply, go to tools, go to crop, and crop everything and save. Crop each of these and save because it's in a transparent background. So press apply, press next, and then save. Once you save, go back, don't press done, go back, undo it, go to tools, crop, and do it for the next one. You press apply, you press next, you press save, you go back, and you save. Once you've saved it, you go back to, you are still in PicsArt. You go to the plus sign, and then you go to the transparent background, and then you go to photos. Now we are doing the complete step of creating your highlight covers. So you go to add photo, and we will go to that highlight, that round highlight cover that we made. Now you would add it. Once you add it, you can adjust it. Next thing you want to do is press apply. Once you press apply, go to add photos. Once you press add photos, now we are going to add those words. We'll go to nail, add. Y'all see, make sure it's at the center. You arrange it like you want. Yes. Then once it's like that, press apply. Next, save. Once it's saved, don't press done. Go back so you can do it with the other pictures. You just press undo. Go to add photos. Press the next ones and just do it. It makes the work less time consuming. I just want to make sure it's at the center. Good. You press apply, next, save. Remember to never press done. If not, you're going to restart everything back. Go back and press undo. Then keep on adding the pictures until you're done with your words. If that's the last one, that's when you can press done. Once you press done, now we're done. You have created your highlights cover. Now I'm just going to show you guys how it came out, how everything came out. So press the plus button and then the transparent background, and then press add photo and take everything. We've already reached the end, and this your highlights cover just right here. We're done with the highlight covers, and you can take these highlight covers as you have saved them. I just wanted to show you guys how the highlight covers can look like. You can do with any pictures you want to do and in any ways you want to do, and you can now display it on your Instagram page, do your own customization. So guys, that's it for today. So these are the main highlight covers that we did, which are pretty amazing. So you can easily do it. Hope you guys love the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the post notification bell, and comment down below on what you guys would love to see next based on editing too.